Question 5. Factor out the largest perfect square. We are going to simplify this radical. Root 200. What is the best way? This one we can easily write 100 times 2, right? Then we can write root 100 times root 2. Root 100 means 10 and root 2. This is our answer. Question 6. 144 divide 9. So very simple. Root 144 divide root 9. This one, root 144, it's a perfect square. We can write 12. And root 9, it's a 3. It's an improper fraction. We can write 4. Right? We can divide this fraction by what? 3. So 12 divided 3, it will be 4. 3 divided 3, it will be 1. Our answer is 4. Next, 216. This one. First, we have to find out, is it perfect square? Let's find out. First, here is a 216. We can divide by 2. Then 1 and 0, 8. Again, we can divide by 2. So here is a 54. Now, here we can divide by 2. Here is a 27. Now we can divide by 3. It will be 9. We can divide by 3. It will be what? 3. So now we can make segregation. It means 2 times 2. It's a 1 pair times this one and this one. And we can take this one and this one. It means 3 times 3 times, it's not a pair. It means 2 times 3. So here is a 4 times 9 times 2 times 3 is a 6. That means 36 times 6, right? This 36 is a perfect square. Which one we need? So this one we can write a root 36 times 6. That means root 36 times root 6. Root 36 means 6 and here is a root 6. This is our answer. What about 45 by 4? 45, we can divide by 3, it will be 15. Again, we can divide by 3, we will get 5. So 5 is a prime number. So this one we can write first root 45 divide root 4. Then against root 45, we can write 3 times 3 is a 9. 9 is a perfect square times 5. Divide root 4 means 2. This one we can segregate like root 9 times root 5. Divide 2. Finally, root 9, it means 3 and here is a root 5. Divide 2 and this is our answer. So if you have any question, please write a line in the comment section. I hope it will help you. If you think this channel is helping you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.